Today we are going to learn about amputation. Amputation can be defined as the removal of limb through one or more bone, whereas disarticulation is defined as the removal of the limb through joint. Incidence. It commonly occurs during the age of 50 to 75 years and are seen more in men than in women. It is more often in lower limbs than the upper limb. Indications. Firstly, peripheral vascular disease, for example, Buerger's disease, diabetic foot. Secondly, congenital anomalies. It refers to the absence of bones. For example, proximal focal femoral deficiency, congenital absence of fibula, congenital phocomelia. Thirdly, trauma, such as crush or blast injuries. Fourth, tumors. Fifth, nerve injuries and infections, for example, chronic osteomyelitis and deep tissue infections. And lastly, extreme heat or cold, injuries that follow electrical or accidental burns. Now let's discuss the levels of amputation. Firstly, in upper limbs. First, poriquarter amputation or scapulothoracic amputations. In this type of amputation, parts of the scapula and clavicle are removed along with the shoulder gridley muscles. Second, shoulder disarticulation, removal through the glenohumeral joint. Third, above elbow. A 20 cm long stump is measured from the tip of the acromion as ideal. Fourth, elbow disarticulation, through the elbow joint. Fifth, below elbow. The optimum length of a B stump is 20 cm as measured from the tip of the olecranon. Sixth, wrist disarticulation, through radiocarpal joint. Seventh, ray amputation. It is the removal of finger, as you can see in the given figure. Now, in the lower limbs. First, hindquarter amputation, transpelvic amputation, whole lower limb is removed with one side ilium. Second, hip disarticulation, removal through hip joint. Third, above knee amputation, amputation through the femur. The optimum length of the above knee stump is about 25 to 30 cm as measured from the tip of the greater trochanter. The minimum length for useful stump is about 7.5 cm. Fourth, knee disarticulation, through the knee joint. Fifth, below knee or transtibial amputation, most commonly performed amputation through tibia and fibula. Stump length is 14 cm. Sixth, Sims amputation, through the ankle joint. Seventh, Chopard's amputation. The amputation is performed at the level of mid-tarsal joints. Eighth, Lisfranc amputation, amputation at the level of tarso-metatarsal joints, as you can see in this figure. Now let's talk about complications. These are hematoma, infections, skin flap necrosis, deformity joints, neuroma, phantom sensation, ulceration, hyperesthesia of stump, and stump edema. Like, subscribe, and share for part 2. Thank you.